how do I add progress bars between sections? So this is really great because progress bars is like, let's say you have a longer video and you have several sections in that video, which, I mean, right here, I have created those with markers, right? So these are the chapters in my video. So I would like to put a chapter, like a progress bar, to show progress between one section and the other, to tell the viewer how long it is until the next section. Well, that's really easy to do. If you go to Elements in Descript, you have something called a progress bar. Let me see where it is. Where have they moved it? Oh yeah, by the way, you can do a timer as well. So you've got progress bar. They're called bar, spinner, and pie. So let's say bar. I'm just going to click on that and look at this. There's a bar right there at the bottom. Let me just make some room. Okay. So the way this bar works is like you place it on the screen. Let's say I'm going to make it all the width of the screen like that. And you can change the sort of the color of the bar. It should be, I don't know, I'm going to make it red, just like that, no borders. So the reason you don't see it is because it's at the very beginning. But if I scroll down in my video and I'm like in here, look, the bar is red like this. So that bar has a few options. If you click on it, you can go to layer and you have some options in here, like, you know, what to fill, opacity, which style does it have to be, and where does it start and where does it end. Now, if I do this, you can actually create scenes and then you put the bar inside the scenes. So watch this. I'm going to go like this. I'm going to insert a scene right there and I'm going to go to the top in here, wherever that previous marker was, right there. Okay. So look at this. In my timeline, while my progress bar is now, because I added it before I had the scenes, I'm going to go down here and I will remove the bar from that second scene right there. Okay, delete that. So watch this. Now the progress bar is only in that first scene, well, and the second. So I'm just going to delete it from there. Okay. So watch this. Now this bar is relative to the current scene, right? So if I play this scene, look at this. As I'm approaching the end of the scene, so does the bar reach the end. So if you add multiple bars in, like every scene has its own bar, you can then show the progress for every section like this. But it has to be bars inside scenes, or you just grab that bar and make it shorter. And the progress bar will be relative to the end of the bar. So as you can see it here, right? This progress bar is now half that length of that scene, and you see the end reaches there. So you can customize these. If you don't like it to be a line, that's fine. You can click in here in the properties and say it's a ring. So there you go. You've got a ring now. You can make it larger like this, move it around. I don't know. I do these in Camtasia as well, and it's kind of a bit of work because you have to adjust the ends and all this. In Descript, this is quite easy now. Look at that, how my progress bar goes. So it's very easy for like a countdown you can do, you know, it's quite useful.